Hey YouTube, sorry I've been gone for a while, been caught up with job, other stuff, and got a new few figures here and there. So figured I'd go ahead and start these new reviews. Today we're looking at Combiner Wars Aerial Bot Air Raid. He is a beautiful F-14 Tomcat, one of my favorite jets. He does have the wings to where he can open them to be a regular jet and then fold down for his attack. He does come with his two accessories, the combiner port, which I already have into his right fist, and his very white gun. I think I'm going to paint this black. Excuse me. But we'll go ahead and transform him. First thing we're going to start, I'm going to get these tail fins right here. Go ahead, fold those up. Take these two the main wings, flip those up. Go ahead and stand them up. Grab the back part here. That will come undone. Oh, sorry. I really messed that up. It's the first time. You're going to take the wings, and then you're going to fold them up like so. You're going to come on the side, grab his arms, and they'll unpeg from that little notch right here. Take him on the shoulder, go ahead and bring him up. Alright, now you can grab this piece right here in the back and fold it down. Gotta bring out his legs, like so. And note, they're on this weird hinge. So these little holes here will have these, you can see that little peg right there, plug onto them. And that will keep them nice and secure. So I'm going to go ahead and take the canopy, fold it down, and these notches are going to peg into those holes on his back. Go ahead and rotate his arms and straighten out his shoulders. Sorry, lose my voice. And there you have Combiner Wars Air Raid. Now in his robot mode, I like him best because of all the red as well as the gold on him and a little bit of blue on his head. Even his head sculpt is beautiful. He has a ball joint in the shoulder, a swivel in the upper arm, a 90-degree bend at the elbow. He does have a waist, a ball jointed head, ball joint at the hip, swivel above the thigh, and a almost 90-degree bend at the knee. So he can get some good poses. I like to have him where his gun sits on his arms and having him hold it. So makes it more generic. This is going to be a two-part review because I'm going to do his leader in a minute. Sorry, it's really hot outside. Alright, so now we're going to not combine him. We're going to go into his combined mode. So go ahead and straighten out his arms like so. Just peg the legs together. Rotate the waist so he's like that. Keep his head like this. Ratchet. Rotate it like that so that way you see the back of his head. Bend here. Alright, now we're going to take the arms, bend them, fold them like this. So that way this peg will peg into this hole right near my eye. So Bring the arm back, bend down at the elbow, peg in. Take the combiner port, our fist, plug that in, and what I like to do with his gun, plug it right here on this side. And there you have him. Oop. No, yeah. So you want his head facing that way. You want his head facing inward, like you're going to transform him. And have the connector peg facing out. So there is an arm for Superion. Not bad. Alright, I'm going to leave this video here, and I'll see you on the next one.